Hello,
Good morning,
my team is Angel
Santiago,
and Diego, and we are
the champions team.
So I'm talking about the unit 1.1. It's what's your personality, and the grammar is the information questions. The information questions are they ask for specific details, not just yes or no. We use different questions, words depending the information we want. For example, what is used for general information, which is used when there is a specific group of choice. Whose is used to ask who something belongs to. How is used for to ask about the way something is done. When ask about time. Where ask about places. Who about people, and why about reasons.
Hello, today I'm going to talk about giving impersonal information in the past and indirect question. We use the simple past to talk about our life and background. For example, I was born in, I grew up in, I lived with my family, I got married, and etc. etc. Indirect questions are polite way to ask for information. We start with fast like, and can you tell me, do you know, I'd like to know, the word order chargers. Example, direct, where is he from? And in the indirect, can you tell me where he is from? In conclusion, the simple past helps use describes on personal story, and indirect question help you ask politely.
So I talk about the unit 1.3. Nice talking to you. Meeting people, grammar and examples. When you meet someone, you can introduce yourself. You know someone and end a conversation poetic. Introducing yourself. Hello, I'm Nick. Nice to meet you. Meeting someone you heard about. I've heard good things about you. Oh, that's nice. How do you know Yodi? Saying how you know someone. I work with her. I'm his sister. Ending conversation. I shall let you go. It was nice talking to you.